How you doing? Today I'm very excited because I'm about to show you some design talent in this video. In this video, I'll be designing a drink or can or drink on can. I don't know how you want to say it. All I know is the name of the drink or the product is Star. And Star is about to prove me right. So get yourself ready because I'm about to show you the full process and enjoy. Come on. Good. Now this is a nice dial line. See this area right here? I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use this one in the center. And I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna duplicate the one behind, sorry. And then give it a different color. See, I'm gonna zoom in, take this down here. Take this also up here. Now you could do it like me, or you could just not doing like me, I'm not saying do it like this, but I just love doing it like this, because sometimes I don't like working into the dial line. So, yep, that's how I do it. And then I'm going to take it out of the dial line like that. And there you go. I'm going to work it here and let's go. Let's start working. Let's use a circle to create the logo. Use a line tool and pick up the stroke to about 23, then duplicate it, and then align everything. Align everything, and then bring it in. There you go. And then I'm gonna group it, and then I'm gonna expand it. So bring in the anchors inside, because what I'm trying to do is make a star. All right, bring in the anchors inside. Don't worry, you will see exactly what I'm trying to do here. Bring in the anchors inside. There you go. Select all of them, duplicate them one more time, and then I'm gonna align the sorry, Control Z, align them properly. And then I'm gonna select and rotate. And then that looks good. And I'm going to select one more time. And then I'm going to bring him down. Just transform it, make him look down. Select everything, use the shaper tool, and remove all these side things. And already looks nice, but I still want to go even further. Use the circle tool, and then just get a nice measurement. And then I'm going to stroke it up. Then I'm going to use, I'm going to do about 10, no, I'm going to go down to 6 pixels. Align all of that. And check this out. I'm going to expand this, all of it. And then I'm going to use a shaper tool to remove on the connections like that. Love it. Now that's our logo. Let's just face it nice like that. There you go. Let's just put it on top and then duplicate it, make one white in color, just to show you that it's very nice and very professional. Let's continue. Over here, I think you should add anchors. Let's add anchors here. Here, you'll see shortly what I'm trying to do. Add anchors here, and then go to Effect, Distort, then Pucker and Bloat. Put it to 123 or just 120. Let's make it 120, negative 120. And then you see, we're having this big star here, right? Let's make it star a darker color, or maybe brighter color. Duplicate it, then make this one a darker color, align them. There we go. And then rotate them so you can show the other one like so. Looking good, right? I know I'm going somewhere. And then I want the brighter one on front. Right now I'm going to use the polygon, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to do negative 23, negative 123, sorry, 123%. And I want to make this a different color, like darker. Let's make it dark a little bit, like that. Yes. Align them. Good. It's looking good, right? But then I don't want it to look like this. I want it to be bigger, and then send it to back. How about that? Let's see. Yeah, looking good. Just play with them a little bit, duplicate them, because if I mess one up, then I want to make sure that I get that one There. Put this one in center, and then group it. Put this one here in case I mess this one up. And then, yeah, center everything. Take the logo, duplicate it once you're done, bring it in front, and then make it, align it. Group everything up. Make this one smaller, the logo. Here we go. Looking good, right? Good. So right now I want to play with gradiency, radial, gradiency for the background, obviously. Make it pink for the strawberry. Blue, pink is fine, yes. Then I'm gonna get, you know what? I'm gonna make it similar color, but then I'm gonna bring down the opacity, like so. Yeah, I think for now it looks good. I'm gonna come back later if I feel like it's not right. There we go, looking good. I'm gonna make something here like a container to put some info there, or the name star, you know. Then I'm gonna put it there, give it stroke. So far so good. Let's just import some stuff. Import nutrition facts, import some tables, put it in there. Then come back to that. Still have to make sure this, okay, put the nutrition facts in there. Then now we can go to the barcodes and the QR codes, placing them in there, then arrange nicely like so. Let's close this. And then I'm gonna duplicate this font and say star, that's the name of the drink. Pick it up to 36 points and then let it go for now. I think I should color it to, let me see. Let's just pick any color. Pick any color. I think the pinkish is right. Pinkish is right. So let's continue. Duplicate this, put it here. I want it to be on the front face, right? I know this belongs to the back, but I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna make the fonts a little bolder and nicer, like that, right? All of them. I wanna use different fonts, size them up nicely, like so, and like this. And yeah, those are good fonts. And then I'm gonna repeat the same thing. Great. Let's move on. I'm gonna place first QR code. I'm gonna make a square around it, make it white, and then bring the QR code to front, arrange to front like this. Then QR code must be big, so don't make it too small, okay? That is not too small, but that's reasonable, okay? Then QR code for further information, make them white again, make a QR code in front, align them, make it small, then align it with the QR code, like so. Nutrition facts, I'm gonna make sure the words are on front and the background is white, just so someone might not misread all of this. And looking good. More nutrition facts. Then yeah, looking good, right? Looking very good. Make sure the recycling stuff, reduce the size. That's too big. That's looking about right. I'm gonna duplicate this and I'm gonna make it check. So say check. So you can check here when you scan. Then I don't want to say thanks. I want to say 500 millimeters. Then pick it up. And then I'll use a different font in that way. But I don't want to use this millimeter font here. I'm gonna use millimeter, and then I'm use different font, something like that. Pick it up. Then pick this one up to right. Duplicate it. Everything looks fine. This will be the first flavor. Duplicate it once more. The third flavor, and then I'm gonna keep going because right now I want to do second design. These are second design. Okay, 3 flavors, second design. So let's go ahead. Let's go. So this is how the flavors are gonna look like. I'm gonna color each one font based on the flavor. Look nice. I'm gonna call it lemon. This one will be the lemon flavor. Align it. Align it. Yes. And over here, I'm gonna say blueberry. Yeah, blueberry. And then align blueberry like so. Yeah, let's move on to the second design. I'm gonna bump up the star so everyone can see it. Then put stroke in there. And then again, I can duplicate everything. Duplicate everything once more. This is the second design. As you can see, I don't have the, oh, this one is the third design, sorry. Third design, which I skipped to it quickly. I'm sorry about that. Now, there's nothing here to explain beside the fact that I decided to duplicate the background stars, not the logo, but the stars, and then make them, we'll make the opacity kind of transparent to 20%, by the way. And then I'm gonna make each one by hand. I'm not gonna just duplicate it as it is. As you can see, they are not looking similar. Okay, duplicate one more time, make it smaller, and then make the opacity 20%. You see now? Duplicate my logo, and then each and every logo though, align it. Each and every logo, I'm gonna make it a different color to play well with the flavors, just like so, right? I'm gonna fix this coloring later though, because right now, I'm just trying to make a point quickly. Right, third design. I like this design better, so I'm gonna even ignore the other ones now, because I'm just gonna focus on this one. Same thing, but not the same. Yeah, right there, bottom left. Duplicate this one, make it a little bigger too. Make this one very small. Make this one too small. Place it there. That looks good enough for me for now, right? Then I'm gonna duplicate this logo, align it, remember, let's make this 20%, and then let us just fix the colors here to green. Isn't that, I use gradiency for this one, and I'm gonna use freeform gradiency, like mesh. I want to blow your mind right now. I'm going to blow your mind right now. You're going to see what I'm about to do. I want to keep all of the points in the corners, right? And then I'm going to color them differently, but not differently, okay? So the colors are going to accommodate each other, but not so different, right? I don't want any blue here, like you see here. I don't want that. So I'm going to make it more pinkish, but it's going to be like a lighter pink, darker pink, like that. Using color guide, I'm going to make this one brighter. I'm gonna make this one darker like that, right? And I'm gonna make this one darker, yeah, darker like that. And I'm gonna make this one a different color because I don't want to just use pink. I was thinking, how about, let me see, what should I do here? Or let me do orange. This orange looks fine to me. And I have a new flavor now. You see, I decided to make another flavor. It's going to be the original flavor. But now I want to create mood board. Wow. I'm going to split it into grid. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to do gutter of 7, 7. And I'm going to do 5. Actually, 3 gutter, not so much. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to duplicate this, place it in. And then I'm gonna delete this one so I can, see, expand this one or enlarge this one. And then I'm gonna do this one for logos. Okay, these are all mood boards, by the way. I'm gonna use this one for logos. Actually, I'm not filling this one because the proportions are not right. So I'm gonna delete it, duplicate this one, delete these ones, and then reverse this, duplicate all of them, place them like this. So now I can do the logos here, right? Put the logos and play with them like this. Great. Start with the colors first. I'm going to color it using the color picker. Okay. So I'm going to color all of them. Just like so. Put the logos in there. I told you this is going to be fire. I told you. Okay. I told you this was going to be very, very, very nice. So, yes. Now let's keep going. Let's keep going. Star here. I'm not feeling this, but it's okay. Let's just clip mask, and then we'll talk about this later. I'll see what I can do with this later. So let's keep going. Let's put some more logos here. And I always like to do it like this, so you can learn from me. I always like doing it like this. Don't center it every time. And then I'm gonna take the art and I'll place it here. Nevertheless, let's go check out some stuff and pictures we can place as mockups and use this. You know, I like doing my own mockups, so I don't wanna just use people's mockups, even though I don't mind them too, but I like creating my own mockups. So free pick normally would have nice pictures, but these days I don't know why they do it like this, man. I have to go back and write soda just to get them to give me the can I'm looking for. And now I'm gonna say people drinking can, yes. And that way I could make the mockups even more alive, you know, and just put it, I'm gonna say soda can, you know. Okay, nevertheless, you know, it doesn't look good, but let's jump in Photoshop and create our own mockups. Lasso 2 to remove this selection up here. Go down, lasso tool again, remove the selection down here. Okay, as it's not a tutorial, I'm just, you know, showing you how I'm doing this quickly. And then I'm gonna place in the art. And then I'm gonna use, I think line burn will be fine. Line burn looks good actually. That's fire, that's fire. That is fire, okay. Let's keep going. So now I'm gonna say filter, camera raw filter, just to make it, you know, as my clients always say, pop. So contrast it, clarity, texture, I don't know about the texture, but I'm gonna play with it a bit. But highlights though, bring them down. And for now, I think that's fire, is it? Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, that's fire. Duplicate it to fill up the 1080. And then I'm gonna make, let's see, I feel like I can't just let him be like this, sorry. I think I should make these ones blur, Gaussian blur, like that. And then this one too, yeah, this one too, Gaussian blur like that. And then, yep. Let's put a drop shadow behind this one. No, I'm not feeling that at all. Remove drop shadow, then click, use masking to make it simmer in, make it look like it's part of this background here, make it simmer in. There you go, now you get, right there. Now you get what I'm doing. And then I'll tell you what, I'm gonna continue mocking up the other ones. I like this one too. So I'm gonna mock it up. Place the strawberry one. Okay. Right. Now let's just, again, I think I'm gonna use the lasso tool. Remove the rim here. Okay. Looking goodish. And then, okay, lasso tool again, remove these ones. Because I'm trying to do the middle one, not the other ones. Okay. There you go. Now we can start doing the magic. And then pick up the feel, then line burn again looks good. Let's play with the blend modes and see if we can make it look spruce. Nevertheless, we can keep going on and on, or you can just let me present to you, ladies and gentlemen, Star. I can see you literally in the edge of your seat right now because you are like, wow, that is so beautiful. That's so amazing. Good. That's been, you know, that's how being good gives you, I guess. But nevertheless, that was Star. It was very nice. I enjoyed designing it myself. And yeah, I have more interesting videos just like this in my channel. So if you wanna go check out some more, go ahead and scroll down my channel and you see more videos. And if you wanna watch another, recommended brand identity or designing, how do we say, packaging design, just like this one, click on that one on top right there. See, look up, see that? Click on that one right there and go enjoy yourself. Nevertheless, if you want to work with me, you can go ahead and email me. The email is right on this channel. Email me and just state your case, okay? And if you consider your friend to work with me, okay, share this YouTube video or YouTube channel to them, or just share my stuff to them. Just send some links, okay? Or you can just take this video, share it on Facebook, share it on social media. Make sure they like and share, and don't also forget to like, share, and subscribe. With all that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you in a scroll.
Sieht noch sein Geschlecht